Guys, I thought I was ordering fairy lights, but I accidentally ordered these and turns out that I love them. It's 210 feet in length. I'm going to show you what I do with them later in the video. But yes, they are rainproof, snowproof, indoor, outdoor, and they do come with a remote. Now this is just like a wall that I made during the pandemic when we were all trapped at home. And that's all just like tissue flower, guys. And that video is on this channel. Just it says like tissue paper wall or something. If you want to know how to do it. You see how big it is? And it's such a beautiful backdrop, but I want to illuminate it. So I bought this. Well, I bought this. And it's like, yeah, it's 600. And these are the warm white. And it comes with this little remote here. So you can change it with the remote or by pressing that little button. And I'm just going to go kind of in between each and tuck it in. And when it's all done, this will be all lit up. So let me step back and show it to you before it's done. And then there's the big light. And I love that it comes on this like round thing. Not only am I going to keep this to store future lights on, just so convenient. Here's what it looks like before we light it up. And then we'll do it after. Okay guys, I said I would show it to you when I was done. It's many hours later. I'm using like this remote starter. Ready? Oh my god, it doesn't look as pretty on video. This is so beautiful in person. Look. Oh my god, it's so pretty because you can see like all the dimensions of the flowers. And of course I can make that like blink and strobe and all of that. It is so beautiful. To turn mine on. Hopefully you can see that. Just a couple specifics. It's 600 lights. It's 168 feet of total length. The string length is 158 feet and the extension cord is 10 foot in length and the bulb spacing is 3.15 inches. Okay, so let's go look at the pattern that it blinks. It comes with this little remote. There's 8 different settings, most of which I will never use, on, off, and a timer. And then, you know, you can dim it, all right? So here's one. Let me get closer. You can see the actual pattern. Okay, here. I'll stand like right here. Here's 2. It's more of like almost a candlelight sort of an effect. Here's 3, which is just kind of like toggling on and off. 4, which is like that breathe where it kind of like gets very bright and then it sort of recesses. And then 5, which no. 6, same thing, that kind of breathe thing, but like much slower. 7, again, no, not for me. I don't know who would use that. And then 8, which is just steady state, which is the one that I actually leave it on the most. And then let's see like how much the dimming thing works. Hold on. Like I'm pressing the dimmer. Oh, I exit. Oh, okay. So when you press the dim thing, oh, okay, that's cool. So you can basically like shut out certain panels. Can you guys see that? I'm pressing this button down here. Let's go all the way. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even realize it had that. That's neat. Okay, so you can press. You guys see how it's getting like more and more dark? Hopefully you can see that. Anyways, I'm very, very happy with these. I think this is so beautiful. It looks gorgeous at night. And I'm thrilled with it. So there you go. All right, guys, final thoughts on these. I loved this for an installation wheel. I know it's not part of the product, but it was part of the experience of installing it. And it was a major bonus to the point where like I'll never take those lights off that wall, but I'll keep this for my Christmas lights and I'll store them on here. All right, I have had them up there for like a couple of days and I do love that it doesn't get hot. It doesn't like increase the heat in my room. I have been very, very happy with these. I would say that these are certainly not fairy lights, which is what I thought they were when I ordered them, but I'm much happier with these than fairy lights because the light is much brighter. If you find yourself needing, you know, white lights, I would have to say that this is an excellent choice.